5,500.
500. Yes.
How about your Karen? How much?
Klang!
8,000. Ha? 8,000. Oh, 8,000.
Namaamaw na.
Should she be included?
Ilan sa'yo, ta?
How much? You guess.
I can tell you what I think, but I'm not going to play because I'm giving it. But I'll tell you. So I think.
Baka hindi, nasa 5,000 or 4K lang yan. Tama ako niyan. 5,000 ako Pwede sa akin sa 5,000
Based on the last time we were here, I think the people who are going to win are these two. One of these two. That's not including the cake. Just
So happy. Sabi ko na yun, sa 6,000.
it was around
Ay, 5,000.
5,800.
Oh!
I think I got
Oh my God!
It's the closest without going
Oh my God!
So it's whatever it is.
Kailangan ko ng pera. Kasi naubusan na ako ng pera.
This is just what the bill says, right?
Okay.
The bill says.
Yes.
Without tip.
Good luck, guys. Ina, no. Oh my goodness, bro.
You might win your own 500 back. See, I'm a big spender. You have 500?
Konti lang kasi tayo last tayo. 11.
Pwede pa palitan.
Wala na sa mga 6,000 yan siguro.
I want to change.
Siguro na sa mga 6,000 yan.
I think I want to change.
Last time kasi 5,500 Ay, 5,800.
I can't mag-change.
Dili, lagi pwede. Kinabutang na. Oh.
Ayun na. Wala.
Tara na. Patay, lagot.
Who went after Kuya Mario? Because it changed.
Sino yung kay Kuya Mario? 4,000. Ay, sama ko sila.
Uy, di na pwede mag-change. Uy, di na pwede mag-change. No more change.
Ay, isa is 8,000. Hindi. Ito ta. Kanina 1,000 yung sa kay Kuya Mario. Ha? Sino? Ay, sorry. 8,000 ka. 4,000. Di ba, ilising kong 7,000, 7K.
Oh my goodness. This is the bill is 5,200.
Oh my God, I won! Oh my God! Ang galing ko! 500.
You said 5,000.
Yes. Yeah, but I'm me. Oh my God. I'm the nearest.
I pay Mario 4,000.
4,000 only.
Without going over. Are we doing closest?
Yes.
Or just closest?
Closest.
Without going over. If it's closest, it's Kaika. If it's closest without going over, it's Kuya Mario.
It's me. It's the closest. The closest. I vote for the closest.
I should vote for the closest. Yeah. I don't know.
Closest, guys.
Technically, she was closest.
Vote for closest.
No offense, but she was closest. She's off by 200.
Vote for closest. Yes. Oh my God. Yes, bro.
Congratulations.
Yes. I win. Woo! I'm always a winner. Woo! Galing ko talaga.